Welcome to Analyzer, our add-on for Google Docs to front-end the Google Natural Language Service. With this add-on you can analyze the whole document or the selection. So here to the right you have the add-on basic UI. We can close this little intro here, and then we can of course pick the language for the document, and then we can analyze the whole document or the selection. Let's start by analyzing the whole document. So the text is fetched from the document, sent to the cloud, and then the Google Cloud responds with a sentiment analysis. In this case, this document got a positive score of 0.3. Then we have 4 other sections here. We have the analysis of the sentiment for each of the sentences. From here we can upload the data as spreadsheets should you want to continue looking at it. We will get a classification of the document. We get all the syntax tokens, and we get all the entities found in the document. If we go back to the main pane here, we can now visualize the results. Click the button and a larger dialog shows up where we have all the sentences and the score here for each sentence. We can look at the legend here, and we can then select a sentence like this and then look at a breakdown of all the parts of this sentence. We can look at the syntax chart for this sentence. We can look at the syntax chart as a graph instead that looks like this. You can actually have some fun moving things around here. If you want to save this graph, you just send it as an image to another tab. That also works for the chart. If you want to save this one, you just send it to a tab and you have it as an image there. Go back here, you can also visualize things as word clouds, either as circles. You have to see if there are more nouns than verbs. We can look at a tree version of it or a cloud version of it, and here's the actual data that there are 130 nouns, 41 verbs in the whole document. If we go back to the sentence here, we can control what's shown here. We can add morphology information for each of the tokens. We can remove some parts of it. That also works for the syntax chart. So that kind of concludes this short demo of the analyzer.